Hey there, welcome to Harmony in Marriage podcast with Funke Fash. Let's talk about being passionate about your spouse. You admire other marriages. You notice how they prioritize each other, right? But what about yours? Yes, you. When was the last time you treated your wife or your husband? Not just casually, but with thoughts and with love and passion. When was it? Your spouse doesn't look attractive anymore. What role have you played in that? Are you still honoring your spouse? You respect other women or other men more than the one you vow to honor. Maybe there's some things that you yourself need to correct. This book will give you an hint of what you need to fix or what you should do better. I'm telling you, this book is loaded. Maybe don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Take care.